Transform your screens into a powerful marketing tool with DS Go. Your offers mode. Your content continuously cycles, perfect for constant display. Your establishment's menu, a range of products or services, as well as live streams from YouTube and Instagram feeds. Promo mode allows you to show advertisements at specified intervals, ideal for integrating promotions during YouTube broadcasts or Instagram content, where your offer periodically appears on the screen. Synchronized display of a single image across multiple screens lined up to create a super wide visual feel. Lunch mode optimizes your menu for breakfasts and lunches. During breakfast or lunch, only the respective menu will be displayed on the screens. You can set different menus for each day of the week, ensuring freshness of offerings and meeting customer needs. Banners effectively utilize limited screen space, allowing viewers to enjoy YouTube videos or Instagram content while simultaneously learning about your promotions. With DSGO, every screen becomes a powerful tool for sales and customer engagement. Customize, play, and impress with DSGO.